Hello, today I want to tell you about my experience of the trip to the city of Medellin with my bands of musicians. That trip took place on November 1st, 2021, and in Silly and boarded a taxi. At 8 in the morning, we took me to the Simon Bolivar airport. At 9 o'clock, we boarded the plane and it took off at 10 o'clock. The flight lasted an hour and we landed at 12 in the city of Medellin. Later, the two used to the train station to board the subway, which Wolte used to the restroom where we had the spectacular Paisa train for lunch. From there, we were transferred by bus to the port, where we had to board above that wall, taking used to the cable metro station. We arrived and boarded the cable car. We stood used to the mount where we would perform our musical presentation. Thank you.